TICE Funding Index, where we track the biggest capital raises shaping startup across technology, consumer, space tech, and enterprise. Let's have a look at the top funding stories that has occurred this week. Experiential technology startup Tagbin has raised $10 million from private investors including Sage One, Flagship Growth, OE Fund, Ramesh Damani, Abhinandan Lodha, and the Kurlon Group. Founded in 2013 by IIT graduates, the Gurgaon-based company works across immersive digital experiences and AI-driven public sector platforms. The fresh capital will be used for global expansion, technology upgrades, and IPO readiness, with Tagbin targeting a public listing by 27. Global data and AI giant Databricks has raised over $4 billion in Series L round, pushing its valuation to $134 billion. Led by Insight Partners, Fidelity, and JP Morgan Asset Management, the round comes as Databricks crosses a $4.8 billion annual revenue run rate, with over $2 billion coming from data warehousing and AI products. The company plans to invest aggressively in AI research, acquisition, and platform development, while continuing its $250 million India investment push. Customer engagement platform MoEngage has raised an additional $180 million, taking its Series F round to $280 million. The round was led by Cherries Capital and Dragon Funds, with participation from Scholars Capital and existing investors. The funds will be used to scale Merlin AI, expand go-to-market teams in North America and EMEA region. It will also pursue strategic acquisitions. MoEngage now serves 1,350 brands across 75 countries. Bangalore-based spacetech startup Digantara has closed a $50 million Series B round led by 360 ONE Asset, SB Investments of Japan, and Ronnie Screwvala. Founded in 2020, Digantara focuses on space situational awareness and plans to deploy 15 space surveillance satellites and 2 missile warning satellites by 2026 to 27. It will also strengthen India's sovereign space intelligence capabilities. Shapewear brand Underneat, founded by Kusha Kapila and Vimarsh Razdan, has raised $6 million in a pre-Series A round led by Fireside Ventures. Launched earlier this year, the company claims to have crossed ₹150 crore in ARR while remaining EBITDA positive. The funding will be used to scale operations and strengthen D2C and marketplace distribution across the cities. Co-working operator BHIVE Workspace is in advanced talks to raise nearly ₹400 crore in a pre-IPO round ahead of a 2027 public listing. The round includes a large debt component and around ₹100 crore in equity. With interest from HNIs and family offices, BHIVE plans to expand into Pune, Hyderabad, and Chennai, building on its strong presence in Bangalore and Mumbai. D2C hair care brand Moxie has raised $15 million in a round led by Bessemer Venture Partners, with participation from Fireside Ventures and angel investors. Founded in 2023, Moxie has crossed ₹100 crore in ARR and plans to deploy the capital toward deep R&D, team expansion, and distribution across salons, modern trade, and quick commerce platforms. SAR satellite space platform and defense tech startup Sisir Radar has raised $7 million in Series A funding led by 360 ONE Asset. Founded by former ISRO scientist Dr. Tapan Mishra, the company is developing India's first privately built L-band SAR satellite target for launch by 2026. Enabling high-resolution, all-weather imaging and defense and disaster response, this fund will help greatly. B2B manufacturing startup Magma has closed its Series A round at $8 million, led by Capria Ventures, with participation from Anivya Ventures and GVFL. The capital will be used to scale precision manufacturing services, expand its target market and industrial materials brand, and grow Magma Green. Food and beverage brand WickedGud has raised ₹20 crore from existing investors Aureus Venture Partners and Asiana Fund, along with new individual backers. The brand, known for instant noodles and pasta, plans to expand across retail, digital, and new product formats, strengthening to omni-channel presence. Well, that's all for this week's Funding Index. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TICE News. For latest updates on startup ecosystem, keep reading TICE.news.